Creating and managing configurations is a critical aspect of software development and systems administration, ensuring that applications and systems perform consistently and efficiently. Configuration management involves the systematic handling of changes and settings within a system, which can be both challenging and rewarding when done correctly. Creating configurations. Creating configurations begins with understanding the requirements of the system or application. This involves defining the parameters that need to be set, such as database connections, API keys, environment variables, and feature flags. Configurations should be defined in a way that is easily understandable and maintainable. Utilizing configuration files, example YAML, JSON, or INI, allows for a structured and human-readable format. Additionally, environment-specific configurations should be supported to cater to different stages of deployment, such as development, testing, and production. Managing configurations. Managing configurations requires a robust strategy to handle updates and changes without disrupting the system's stability. Version control systems, such as Git, play a pivotal role in tracking changes to configuration files, enabling rollback to previous states if necessary. Tools like Ansible, Puppet, and Chef can automate the deployment and management of configurations across multiple systems, ensuring consistency and reducing the risk of human error. Security is a paramount concern in configuration management. Sensitive information, such as passwords and API keys, should never be hard-coded into configuration files. Instead, secrets management tools like HashiCorp Vault or AWS Secrets Manager should be used to store and retrieve sensitive data securely. Best practices. Version control. Always keep configurations under version control to track changes and facilitate collaboration. Environment segregation. Separate configurations for different environments to prevent accidental deployment issues. Automated deployment. Use automation tools to apply configurations consistently across all systems. Security. Use secrets management tools to handle sensitive information. Documentation. Maintain thorough documentation of configuration settings and their purposes to assist in troubleshooting and onboarding new team members. Effective configuration management enhances the reliability, security, and maintainability of software systems, contributing to smoother operations and more efficient development cycles.